Welcome. Today we'll show you how easy it is to move with Rogers. Let's go. Moving is one of the most stressful things you'll ever do. But don't worry, as a new or current Rogers customer, we'll make sure your Rogers setup is the smoothest part of your move. It all starts with having a personal concierge service to look after your move. You can rest assured, knowing you'll have a single, dedicated point of contact to answer any questions and keep you in the loop with every step of your move. That means giving you the flexibility to change the date and time of your install if you need to, letting you track your technician in real time so you know exactly when to expect them, and finally, having your specialists follow up to ensure everything is working great. Together, it all adds up to an easy and relaxing move. Moving soon? Take advantage of all of this and more by calling 1-888-ROGERS-1 to contact your Moves concierge.
You can make